Hey, what's up, everybody? So in this video, we're gonna talk about the iPhone 12 Pro, and this one I have the 12 Pro Max. I wasn't really gonna do this video because I didn't feel like I had to, but the reason I'm doing it is because all the videos that I seen, it was like they, I guess not everybody, but a lot of YouTubers, they would be like a little bit over dramatic, and I was trying to decide whether to buy the 12 Pro or 12 Pro Max, and obviously because of the reason I was deciding that is because of the camera. The camera is the main thing that is difference between this one and the 12 Pro, and obviously the battery. So the problem that I have with that is because I personally don't like big phones. I never had it. I always go with this small version, and like my old phone is the 11 Pro, and I never had a Max, the bigger version. And the reason is because I don't like to carry phones. So that's why I was like, I don't really want to go with the Pro Max. But as right now, that's the best phone. So I was like really sketchy about like getting a 12 Pro Max because of the size. And when I was watching videos, everybody was complaining, saying it was too heavy, that it was like too big, and that it would hurt their hand whenever they were holding the phone, and like they couldn't text with one hand. And by the way, I don't have the biggest hands at all. My hands is like probably like normal or probably even on the small side, to be honest, for the guy. So that's, I was like, fuck, if this bigger guy saying that that phone is too heavy or too big, I'm sure like that phone is probably I'm not gonna end up liking it. So I was like, maybe it's gonna be one of those things that I have to get used to it. So I went to Best Buy, I went to the store and check out the phone. So I was like, I can right away I can tell on the display is like so much bigger than the iPhone 11 Pro, which is the one that I have. So right away I can tell when I see now, I'm like, oh, it's a big difference. But when I pick it up, it wasn't like really like that much different. Like honestly, I used to be using it for a couple hours already, and I already got used to it. So I don't know, I don't know why those guys on YouTube. It was a couple of them. It's not just one. They were saying that this phone is too heavy, and it's not that heavy. I mean, in numbers, obviously, is heavier. Not when I go back to the 11 Pro and I hold it in my hand, it does feel lighter and it does feel small in my hand. But that's the crazy thing that I got used to it so fast. So if you want a better camera and you want the bigger battery, yeah, go ahead for it. Go try it out at the store, and you're gonna see that the people that whoever saying that it's too big or too heavy, don't listen to them. Just go try it out, and you're gonna get used to it. And I can easily type. I don't know why they can't type with one hand. So, but yeah, here's the two phones. As you can see, like actually, um, you can tell the difference. So now, when it comes to the camera, I've been playing with it for a little bit. Like if you for like I said, I just had it for a couple hours to see the difference. In kind of like low light scenario, I can tell that this it has more like detail to it. It's not too dark, and the colors are different. This is more like natural color than the iPhone 11 Pro. Now, when it comes to the videos, obviously as a photographer and somebody that records videos too, obviously you want to have the best camera on your pocket at the whole time because you don't always carry your camera. So that's why I went to that's why I went to with the 11 with the 12 Pro Max because I wanted to have the better camera. And this one we have body stabilization on it. That was like a plus. It was like I guess like a must have for me because I do like a lot of times, especially for like raves, events like that. Obviously, you cannot carry a camera. You can only carry your phone. So, and this what it is like the best phone right now for lot. Like, so that's the reason I went with this phone. This for nothing else. And obviously, the videos they look so much better here. Not like a quality. I want to say it does look better than quality wise, but I think what it is because it's like so much bigger. You can see more details on it. So that's why my eyes think that this looks better than this because it's like a little smaller, and honestly, it's not that much bigger. And when it comes to the weight, like right now, I kind of can tell the difference, but barely. That the iPhone 12 Pro Max is a little bit heavier. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. So if you want the best camera, like I said, and a battery that's gonna last you a long time, especially for someone that travels and like I said, like somebody that takes a lot of pictures, yeah, the iPhone 12 Pro Max is the one that I would definitely recommend. And all the bad reviews saying that this is phone is too big or it's too heavy, I want to listen to them. So I hope you like this video and thanks for watching.